guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Airpods Max cases. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the Airpods Max cases in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best Airpods Max cases on the market right now. Coming at number 9, we've got the AWinner Headband cover for Airpods Max. If you're worried about damaging the mesh canopy of the Airpods Max, consider investing in a headband cover. This super affordable offering has a silicone exterior that will reliably protect the headphones, headband, and canopy without affecting comfort levels. The accessory is compatible with both the headphones bundled case as well as third-party ones. Installing it just takes seconds, and it doesn't require any additional tools. You can order the cover in many colors that match the Airpods Max. Depending on your preferences, you can also opt for a contrasting option. The product has an 18-month warranty to boot. Coming at number 8, Philotto Case. If you're looking to protect your AirPod Max on a budget, consider these ear cup silicone covers by Philotto. For around just $10, they reliably keep your headphones metal bits free from scratches and bumps. The accessories are available in a multitude of colors, ranging from Airpods Max matching ones all the way to match flashier, crystal-adored options. They're also compatible with the Airpods Max Smart Case. Coming at number 7, Sammy Airlin Smart Case for AirPods Max. Priced at just above $20, the Sammy Airlin Smart Case for AirPods Max will protect the headphones without the bundled smart cover. The accessory has a molded design allowing you to showcase the can's instantly recognizable silhouette. The product has a slim profile and durable build, headlined by a shock-resistant exterior shell with a waterproof finish. It has a soft interior with a storage compartment for accessories, as well as a dependable zipper closure. Number 6. Spigen Urban Fit Ear Cup Covers for AirPods Max. Spigen's Urban Fit protective ear cup covers for the AirPod Max have an elegant and strong fabric finish that's great to interact with. The strap-on accessories offer seamless access to the headphones button controls and lightning connector, and you can install the cover in a matter of seconds. The Urban Fit cover has a slim profile, which makes them fully compatible with the Smart Case. You can order these cup covers in black or gray. Coming at number 5, Monocarbon Carbon Fiber Case. These ear cup covers by Monocarbon are made from genuine carbon fiber with a glossy finish and excellent tactility. This option is as high-tech as the wireless headphones themselves. The ear cup covers are impossibly slim and lightweight, yet insanely durable. This material doesn't fade or wear down over time either, making them truly built to last. Versions of the monocarbon covers with a matte finish and forged pattern are also available. Coming at number 4, Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro Case. A well-known maker of reasonably priced smartphone cases, Spigen now makes one for the Airpods Max as well. The clear Ultra Hybrid Pro cover is designed to both protect and showcase the wireless headphones' aluminum-clad ear cups. The snap-on hardshell covers offer seamless access to the controls and charging port. And because of their ultra-thin design, the accessories are compatible with the Apple Smart Case. Number 3. Spigen Claston Case. The Spigen Claston Case is our favorite affordable option for protecting the Airpods Max. The accessories has an elegant, pleasantly understated design, a durable exterior with a fabric finish, and a soft interior with a compartment for cables. We like that this case has a sturdy double zipper and convenient leather handle. Combined with its fabric exterior, it looks way more expensive than it actually is. Coming at number 2. Raptic Smart Foam Case for Airpods Max. Raptic's Smart Foam Case is a solid alternative to our top pick, but with a slightly lower price tag and more utilitarian design. It has a ballistic polyester exterior and a rubber lid with a metal closure. The interior of the Smart Foam has a soft lining, a storage compartment for cables, and built-in magnets to keep the cans in low power mode. However, note that there's no space for a wall charger. Other key features of the product include a bundled carabiner and a discrete loop for attaching it to the case. Overall, this rugged accessory is guaranteed to protect the Airpods Max reliably well. Number 1. UAG Radeon Case. It's hard not to love this stylish accessory. The UAG Radeon is our favorite Airpods Max protective case because of its sleek design, features, and durability. The Radeon means military drop test standards. It has a weather-resistant, ballistic nylon exterior, as well as a molded interior with a strap to ensure that the expensive cans stay in place. Available with a black or olive finish, the UAG Radeon also has compartments for storing cables, other small accessories, and a carabiner loop. It can protect the Airpods Max with or without their own smart case. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best Airpods Max cases. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.